everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze Budapest defense chess opening reps. This is part 3 video of Budapest defense. I am going to explain and analyze 1 to 5 chapter. Okay, I am going to explain 1 to 5 chapter one by one. Let's start with first chapter. Black wins by checkmate in 8 moves. Okay, 8 moves. Okay, let's start with first chapter. First move is d4. This is called Queen's Pawn game. Another move, knight f6, black. Indian defense, c4. Indian defense normal variation. Another move of black, black e5. Now attack the white pawn, white black pawn. D cross e5. Now threatening the knight. Knight must be moved. Knight go to g4. Okay, then knight f3. White knight go to f3. Knight c6. Black knight go to c3. Now develop the pieces black. Okay, then bishop f4. Bishop go to f4. Then bishop b4 and we will check. Then knight b d2. Black the check. Okay, after that you can see right now queen go to e7. Black queen go to e7. This is the brilliant move. Another move of white, a3. Okay, now black turn, knight g cross e5. Okay, if didn't cut the knight is almost, this is checkmate, because you can see right now a cross b4. Okay, this is the big blunder. That's why now knight d3 and we will checkmate. Okay, this is chapter 1. Black wins by checkmate in 8 moves. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Share your friends and leave a comment. That's it. We can go now with chapter 2. Hello everyone, this is chapter 2. Why white resign in 8 moves only? Okay, this is chapter 2. Let's start with d4. This move calls d4, Queen's Pawn game. Another move of knight f3, Indian defense. c4, Indian defense normal variation, normal variation. Another move e5, Indian defense, Budapest defense. Okay, then d cross e5, knight g4, knight f3, d5, e cross d6. Okay, now e cross d6. This is 5th move of white. Okay, another move, bishop plus d6. Okay, now you can see right now a brilliant move, making black made a brilliant move. Okay, we will see what's happening. h3. Okay, now almost checkmate. Why black pieces? Because you can see round. Another move, knight cross f2. If king at the knight. Okay, that's it. Now queen is wrapped right now. You can see right now. Bishop g3 and we will check. Then king must be cut. Then queen cross d1 and beautiful queen is wrapped. That's why white resign in this game. That's it. This is chapter 2. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, share your friends my video. Okay, we can go now chapter 3. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3. Black wins by checkmate. This game. This is chapter 3. We can start now. Let's start d4 move. Queen's pawn opening. Then knight f6, Indian defense. c4, Indian defense no variation. e5, Budapest defense. Okay. Another move. D cross e5. Okay. Attack the knight. Then knight go to g4. Then bishop go to f4. Okay. Then knight c6. Develop the pieces black. Black wins by checkmate this game. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, another move. White, knight f3. Knight f3, then bishop b4 and we will check. Okay, now knight b d2, block the check. Then king go to e7, then a3. Then knight c cross e5. Okay. Then a cross b4. Then knight d3 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 3. Beautiful checkmate. Why black knight? Okay, that's it. We can go now to chapter 4. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's it. We can go now. Another chapter, chapter 4. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. How to play wins by checkmate in 9 moves only. Okay, we will see what's happening going to be. Okay, let's start with d4. Queen's pawn came, knight f6, Indian defense, another move, c4, Indian defense normal variation, then e6, e5, then e goes d5, attack the knight, I go to the g4, then bishop f4. Then knight go to c6, develop the pieces play, then knight f3. Okay, we will see what's happening. If now defend the pawn, then bishop b4 and we will check. Then knight to vd2. Okay, then queen go to e7. Okay, black wins by checkmate in 9 moves. You can see right now. Then 7th move of white, h3. Now attracting the knight. Knight g cross e5. Okay, cut the pawn, I think. Yeah, pawn. Then knight cross e5. Okay, cut right now. Knight cross e5. Okay, that's it. Now you can see beautiful checkmate right now. Another move of h3. This is a big blunder. That's why knight d3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 4. We can go now chapter 5. That's it. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5. Why black resign in 10 moves? Okay, let's start with d4. Queen's pawn opening. Knight f6. Indian defense. c4 d5 e5. Then d cross e5. Knight g4. Bishop f4. g5. Bishop d2. You can see right now another move of black. Knight cross e5, e3, d6. Okay, we can see now another move, bishop e2. Okay, this is a different move. That's why white will win by this game because black resign. We will see what's happening going to be. Bishop e6, Indian defense Robinson variation, then bishop c3. Now pin the knight and knight now. Then knight bc6, then f4. Okay, that's why white win this game and black resign because g cross f4, then e cross f4. Now knight is gone because the rook is if take outside of knight, the rook is gone. That's why white win this game, black resign this game. We will see like this move. Now cut the knight. That's it. This is chapter 5. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We will see another video. Okay, thank you so much. God bless everyone.